Hi guys and welcome back to the Taste and Bloom kitchen. Today we are making these very easy and fluffy donuts. In this same video I'll be reviewing an appliance. It's a hand mixer with a dough attachment. Let's see how it worked out. So this is a hand mixer. I was gifted by a group of friends, okay? So it has, this is how it comes in the box. This is not an unboxing video, so I'm just going to show you the way it is. It has the manual and everything there. So it comes with two sets of attachments. So this is for mixing dough, and then the other one is for making batter, if you like, for cakes and stuff. So I'm just going to briefly show how they are fixed. I've used the hand mixer for cake and making my shea butter for the house, but I wanted to try using it for dough. So that's why today I'm using it in this recipe. So we are going in with some salt. So I had some all-purpose flour already in the bowl. I added some sugar and then some yeast as well, and then I gave it a good mix. So sorry, I didn't mention we have started our donuts already. Then I'm going to go in with an egg and then add in some melted butter and then go in with my milk. So obviously in making the donuts, you can use your hand for the entire process. But like I said in the beginning, I wanted to try out the hand mixer to see if it was going to work for me. Usually people would use a stand mixer, but I thought this was quite interesting and fascinating. So I said, let me just try it and see if it was going to work. And I was honestly pleasantly surprised. And to be honest with you, I hate kneading any type of dough. So this is a lifesaver for me. So just in case you're looking for a hand mixer with a dough attachment, the brand name is SOKANY. I hope I even pronounced it right, but yeah, it worked really well for me. But I'm trying to think, or I'm beginning to think that probably if the dough is too much, it's not going to work because obviously it looks like it can handle just a small amount of dough. Okay, so obviously don't overwork it. But I was pretty pleased with the outcome of my dough. I continued to whisk this for about 10 minutes. So instead of using mampa or labor to get the dough together or knead it to perfection, the hand mixer helped me do that. Okay, just so you know, this is not a sponsored video or anything like that. I just wanted to share something I found. If this is your first time here, hello, my name is Yasmi. You're welcome to my kitchen taste and bloom. Please consider subscribing and joining this amazing blooming family. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so very much for coming back to watch me. Also, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and share this video once you're done watching. So once our dough comes together beautifully, I'm going to go ahead and put the dough into an oiled bowl and then allow it to sit and rise for about 30 minutes. So of course, leave it in a warm place so that it will proof a bit. And then you can go ahead and work the dough once the 40 minutes are up. So though the classic donut shapes are the round ones that we normally know or see, you can cut out your donuts any shapes you want. So when I was shooting this video, right, I had to attend to the little one. And then my second son came to do overtaking and started cutting out the dough for me. See, so if in the next few minutes or no, in the next few seconds, you see that somebody tried to cut out a donut, please stick it like that. In rolling out the dough, do not make it too thin, but don't make it too thick as well. So anywhere in between, because we are going to prove the dough a second time. Pardon me if you hear some backing vocalists in the background there. Okay, today I didn't have a choice. The little one had to join me whilst I did my voiceover. A kind reminder to also follow me on all the other social media platforms and let's vibe over there as well. All those links will be in the description box. So our donuts are ready to be left to rise for an extra 40 minutes and then we'll go ahead and fry them. So make sure that when you're frying, your oil is not too hot. And once you drop the donuts or the dough in there, just have patience. Give each side about 4 minutes and allow it to fry. And then you flip it over. If not, the insides of your donuts will remain uncooked while the outer parts will be cooked. And with donuts as well, you don't want to fry till they are really, really brown because once you even take them out of the oil, they continue to cook a bit slightly. So, like I'm taking out of the oil right now, they are just perfect. So, you're going to take it out of the oil and then I'll fry the remaining donuts and then we'll get back to you. All the ingredients and their measurements will be in the description box. So, do check them out and follow the recipe as usual. Thank you so much for joining me in today's video. It's been amazing coming your way, and always remember to keep blooming.